Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the mild silver protein. That is a topical agent. Their chemical formula is variable. It is a silver rendered colloidals by the presence of or in combination with protein. Their properties are dark brown or almost black, odorless, shining scales or granules. Solubility, it is a freely soluble in water but almost insoluble in alcohol, chloroform and ether. It is affected by light, therefore should be protected from light in case of storage. Next is the action and uses. 0.5% to 20% solution is used as antibacterial. The release of Ag positive ion tend to increase with the dilution and therefore more dilute solution becomes irritating. On aging, solution becomes more irritant and a precipitate is formed. Therefore, the solution of the mild silver protein should be always prepared freshly, which contains suitable stabilizers. Next is the uses. The solutions due to its low irritability using the employed as local antibacterial on the mucous membrane in nose, throat and the conjunctiva of eye. For irrigation of urethra and bladder, its major effectiveness in the treatment of the gonococcal infection. Also used in respiratory tract infection and also as a prophylactic against the respiratory infections. Mercury with the chalk act as a purgative due to irritant action of Hg ion. As it is a toxic, it is not used medicinally and they are the best bacteriostatic. Note, the prolonged use of mild silver protein may result in the darkening of skin due to the deposits of the free silver below the epidermis. Next is the mercury. The synonyms of the are the hydrogerum quicksilver, brightly shiny silvery white, odorless liquid at the room temperature. Should be stored in a tightly closed container. Cathartics and the parasiticide are the parasites action and uses. Also used in the treatment of the syphilis and as a diuretic, but it is extremely poisonous and prolonged inhalational in the minute quantity may be fatal. Yellow mercuric oxides are the HgO, molecular weight that is the 216, color are the yellow to orange according to temperature at the time of the preparations, odorless, insoluble in water and alcohol but soluble in acid. Storage that is should be stored in the tightly closed container, protected from the light. Chemical properties stable in air form. The red oxides slowly develop on exposure to light. Locally antibacterial and also mild antiseptic action in the ophthalmology for treating number of inflammatory conditions and also used for the treatment of fungal infections of skin and the infestations of body eyes. In today's class, I discuss about the following topical agent, that is the mercury and yellow mercuric oxide and the mild silver protein. Thank you for watching.